So this is why I've taken down the Star Wars room. You can see a little bit of water here. This was after the hurricane. Water. I thought I had stuff pretty much cleared away. Apparently not. Some of these things got wet. But yeah, you see all this water. Water. See, that's what glass does up on the shelf. You can see right here. And this is the hallway that was coming into the room, which now those figures are wet. He's fine. I had problems. I opened the door, and there was a puddle. Can't really see it on the camera. Right there. Yeah, right there. It's the first thing I saw. I was like, what is that? And the whole back half of the room is just water. Great.